Hey guys, and look, we're putting hot chocolate bomb in this, and then
Okay, from the left
Poppy's
means
gonna
what
get
content?
the hot milk, and then I'm gonna pour it in,
I'll pour it in. I'll pour it in.
and she's gonna pour it in.
It's hot, okay? Don't touch it.
Okay. No, in here, Poppy.
No, here first and then there. Because it will not fit, okay?
Let me see how it forms out, guys.
Okay.
And then we see how it forms out.
Yeah, first and then...
Carl, you're my
No, no.
I'm your
Okay,
sister.
right
Oh,
here.
hi.
Right here.
Okay,
Okay.
mix it out. Do you need something?
Careful,
No.
it's hot. Be careful, it's hot.
Need something now? No. Put it here. Put
We
it
need to
in.
take out all the marshmallows, otherwise the marshmallows will clog the thing.
My grandma's helping me.
Hold on, hold on.
Okay.
No, you need to close this. See?
Yeah, I guess it just takes time. I don't know. I can't find it now. But I have a feeling it's also because mine's an adult account.
Then
Okay, now you want to take it and drink it? Is it a thumbs up? It's
I
good?
want to try.
Okay, have brother try.
Try this. I made it. Actually, very good.